which obviously is tricky, so we have to use a calculator. Hey, my name is Adrian, and today I'm gonna show you how to animate colors in Toonboom. It's a little bit tricky because colors in Toonboom are global and we can't animate them at all. So you have to use nodes in the smart way. Let's move on. The worst node that we actually can use is hue and saturation. It's the worst node because it's not showing you the RGB values, but just one weird thing. That's really hard to find the proper color after you actually put one keyframe on another frame. Okay? So I don't recommend that because it's just hard and waste of time in my opinion. The second thing, which I don't like because we have to use cutters, is color card. With color card we actually have ability to animate RGB colors, which in that case is the best, but because I don't like to use cutters, it's not something that I really enjoy. So with cutter we can cut our shape and put animated color card as the thing to animate. Okay? And we can do exactly the same with node called gradient. With this node we can animate radial or linear gradients, and this is the one and only way to animate gradients. My favorite way is to use color scale, but with color scale, and the same as with all the others, we will have to split the layer if it will have more than one color. I actually had a character which have the outline and the fill inside. So with color override I had to split those two colors, and I put the outline on top, and to the fill I just attached color scale. And this is the tricky part because color scale have numbers from 0 to 2. So that means it's something like between 0 and 510, which obviously is tricky, so we have to use a calculator. But it's a quick math. We just have to divide that RGB colors by 255, okay? And we have 0 point something that we just have to put there, and we quickly have that color animated. And to have those colors exactly the same as we put the numbers on, we have to change the base color of the base color that we want to animate into white, because what color scale is doing is more or less mixing the colors. So if we will mix the colors with white, we will have exactly the same color as we want. Hopefully you know how to animate colors. Have a wonderful day. Cheers!
Hey, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Check my other videos on this account and make sure to check my other social media accounts. Stay awesome!